Hi there. Welcome to the GridMate learning channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use default values and hidden fields features on the user grid. So let's begin with default values. Go to the config wizard by clicking on the gear icon. Click Advanced. Click on the default values section. Select the fields for which you want to set default values. In this example, account ID, amount, stage. Set the value that you want. You can select between expression or lookup. Click Save. Let's try to create a new record. As you can see, we only have fields for which default values have been set. To see all the fields while creating a new record, go to Config Wiz, and check the option, Use the page layout when creating a new record. Move on now to Hidden Fields. Click Advanced. Click on the Hidden Fields section. Select the field that you want to hide. Click Save. You can view all fields when creating a new record, excluding any hidden ones. Of course, the fields with default values will also be visible. Thank you for watching.